Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Pepe Coin on Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Coinbase Wallet and log in. And once you've done that, you will see Explore tab in the bottom. So next, when you're in the Explore tab, you'll want to find Uniswap. If you don't see it, immediately type in Uniswap. So that's Uniswap in the search bar. Once it appears, click on uniswap.org to open it. The first step here is to connect your wallet. So in the top right-hand corner, click Connect and select Coinbase Wallet. Once your wallet is connected, make sure you have Ethereum selected on the top box, since Pepe Coin is traded on the Ethereum network. Next, also, double-check that the network in the top left-hand corner is set to Ethereum. You'll see other options like BNB Chain Polygon, but you need to select Ethereum. Now click on the pink Select Token button and type in Pepe. So Pepe into the search box. The Pepe coin should come up at the top. Click on this, then decide how much Ethereum you want to swap for a Pepe coin. For instance, if you enter 5 Ethereum, it will show you how much Pepe coin you'll get in return. If you have enough Ethereum, you'll see a blue swap button. Click on that, and you'll be able to purchase Pepe Coin using Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet. So that's basically how you can buy Pepe Coin on Coinbase Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.